Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I just finished trading the 7-1 formatted. I actually wanted to post it so that you guys will see it, but I just want to share some few things. You see, a lot of people don't understand how trading works. Trading is just you making money off of the trend movement. You don't necessarily have to be in a trade for the whole day. You don't necessarily have to be in a trade for the whole year, right? You just have to make money. That is the main concept about trading. Now, why am I saying this? You see, when we go back to the 5 minute time frame, I was inside a trade with the 7-1 method from this zone all the way down, right? I wanted price to actually take or push through this level. Why? Because this is the initial trend from this all the way down to this zone right here. That is the lower move. That is the lower leg, right? So I wanted price to take it out. Price couldn't take it out. This was where I want to buy up. Price couldn't take it out. We had a shoot all the way up. What do you think I'm going to do? I went to the 1 minute time frame. Why is that necessary? Because my second trade was here and price was coming to it to actually take me out of break even, right? That is not a problem. I went to the 1 minute time frame. This is what I can see. I can see we had a what? A support zone right here. So if price could not use it as a resistance to push all the way down and we break through it, that means we are possibly going all the way up. Why are we going all the way up? Let's look at the 5 minute time frame again. We can see that we have this level of liquidities 1, 2, and 3 right here. Remember, this is the start of the trend, this is the end. So these are equal highs liquidities. So there's a high chance that this trend that is pushing is just going to take out these equal highs liquidities and drop back down because we did not get to the initial demand zone, right? Now, yes, I could also be wrong and price could stop here and push all the way up, but that is not the problem. The problem is you don't know how to capitalize on this type of moves to make money. I was in this trade down, I'm in this trade up, I'm obviously in this trade down again. And I've said it countless times. Look at where the second trade is. You can see where the TP is. Now, the first trade, which is this, I'm out of the trade, right? I'm out of the trade. It's now at what? Break even. And I've been doing this for what? For years. You have to understand that if you don't start doing this, if you don't start identifying opportunities and executing trades, it's going to be extremely hard for you to be successful in this trading business. Why? Because you cannot be getting perfect setups every single day. You can't be getting that every single day. So if you don't get that, you use what the trend gives you. If it's a 1 minute trend, you use it. If it's a what 5 minute trend, you use it. The only important thing is you have to know where you are trading, how you are trading, and what the trend is giving you at that moment. So I knew for sure that this is the trend, right? This is the trend, high, low. Remember, this is the low. So anything that happens within here, so far as it did not take out this, it's still the same trend. So from here all the way down, it's just one single trend, right? And price just went back inside to pull liquidity. That is all. We can shoot all the way down and take out this low. We might not take out this low as well, but that is not the problem. The problem is I'm making money whilst all this is going on. And that is what you should concentrate on, right? If you make a little money, get out of the market. Rest. Just rest. Okay. Rest. I'm done for the day. I'm not going to trade on any pair again. I have pairs, I have trades on I think Euro USD and Nasdaq currently, but I will not be checking it because they are big trades. They are weekly and daily trades, right? So they are swing trades. It will take a long period of time before they actually manifest. But this is what is going on gold. Gold is my favorite pair, so I can do anything I want on gold, almost anything, right? So that's just it. Now this trade is a big trade. I'm not going to be looking at price to come and take me out of break even. No, any reason that is shown here that price is shooting all the way up, I can just go to a 1 minute time frame or a 30-second time frame, right? Find what is going on. So currently, I can see on on the 1 minute time frame that we just had a market structure shift. So I know buyers are coming into the market. Could this hold? Maybe it might hold, right? So I try to see what's going on so that I can get out of this trade as well. Maybe at 5K, maybe at 4K, maybe at 10K, maybe any amount that it gives me, any amount that I feel secure to get out, I get out of the trade and I'm done with the day, right? So you can use just 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes to execute a lot of trades.